Students have taken your quiz, and now you're ready to grade it using Flubaroo. First, you'll want to go over to your responses. I can see that 4 people have taken my quiz. I can see a nice little item analysis here. And to see more detail, I'm going to click on my Sheets icon to create a spreadsheet of all of my results. All right, so since I know I'm going to be grading this using Flubaroo, I actually made myself be the first person to take my quiz. So this first entry is an answer key. I know all of the answers are correct because I did it and I got them all right. All of the other entries are going to be scored based on the answers in that one. All right, so let's get Flubaroo. Flubaroo is an add-on that's exclusive to Sheets. So when you go to Get Add-ons on your add-on menu and you search for it, it's going to pop up right there, and then you can get it. I've already got it. So I'm going to go to Flubaroo. The first thing you have to do is enable Flubaroo to work in this sheet. It takes a minute. There we go, now it's ready to go. You can get a step-by-step walkthrough by clicking right there. Since I'm giving you a step-by-step walkthrough, I'm going to X that out. And then let's see how it works. I'm going to go back to my add-ons menu, Flubaroo, and I want to grade this assignment. It's going to ask me some questions about my assignment. First, I have to tell it how to grade each question. Well, this score column, this is the score that my students got from Google's auto grading feature. That's not quite complete because it doesn't grade the text and it doesn't grade the multiple choice. Well, it grades the multiple choice, but not the matching section. So I want to tell it not to grade that. Skip that. I also don't want the students to get a grade based on their name, so I'm going to use that as my student identifier, and that's already selected that way. Everything else I do want to grade. These are the questions in my quiz. So I'm not grading the score, I'm not grading my name, I'm grading the rest. That looks good. If you don't have a name, Flubaroo can't grade it. So be sure to always include a name question in your quiz. And then I have to choose which is going to be my answer key. That's why I named my own response answer key, so that I would have an easy time selecting it. This is the entry off of which all the other entries are going to be graded. So if an entry perfectly matches my answer key, it gets a 100. Let me continue. And we're grading. It's going to create a separate tab showing me my grades. Grading complete. That was fast. All right, so my class average is a 3.67 out of 7 total points. Jimmy did pretty well here. And I can see which questions were most difficult for my students. It looks like they don't know a whole lot about Ross and Monica. They're more confident with Phoebe and Joy. Everybody got Smelly Cat because that was a response validation question. They had to type it correct in order to submit their form. And that's how you grade with Flubaroo.